I cannot think how many PayPal payments are being sent from this website just for watching videos. Video number 1, $79. Video number 2, $135. Video number 3, $57. And all you need is a laptop while you earn money watching videos. Yes, that's right. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Before you get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's get back to the video. Warning, before you proceed, make sure you accept one of these payment methods that get on this list. For example, if you have a PayPal account, select PayPal. If you cannot use PayPal, after that choose another payment method such as UPI if you live in India. If you stay until the end of this video, I will share a bonus offer with you that will certainly enable you to make even more cash online. To generate income by watching videos, you will need these three things. Number 1. Entertaining videos. You must choose videos that appeal to the people and that are entertaining to watch. Number 2. A money system. Something that will pay you each time a video is watched is essential, since this is exactly how you will undoubtedly gain PayPal payments. A lot of people skip this part. So I would highly suggest focusing on this video to get all the details on exactly how this works. Number 3. Traffic. To make money watching videos, a lot of traffic needs to happen. And I am going to explain exactly just how to get traffic so you can have more videos watched and you are going to make even more money. So let's focus on step number 1. Go right over to YouTube and type in a popular game. In this case, we are going to use Minecraft. We are currently doing this because this will deal with the approach that I will share with you in this video. So I have typed in Minecraft here, and also I have selected Minecraft because users of all ages play Minecraft. It's simply a massive community. There are millions of videos that have millions of views on YouTube. So it's a trendy thing. Now, if you have for some reason you don't intend to use Minecraft, you can also enter Fortnite, which is another popular game that many people play. There are millions of videos on this particular game as well. The next step, though, what we are going to do after you have chosen the game that you want to make use of, go right over to Google. I want you to type in YouTube trending because we have to find trending videos popular right now, like now or when you are watching this video. After all, I might show you a couple of videos, still perhaps those videos were popular way back when this video was uploaded. And so we want to make sure we are searching as well as finding the most popular videos right at the very moment. And also, a truly fantastic method to do that is to go right over to Google, enter YouTube trending, and also at the extremely top right here, you will locate the link. Go ahead and also click that. And that will take you back over to YouTube. And you are going to discover this little trending title, little fire icon here. Now, the first section will claim that these are all the videos that are trending for the entire YouTube world. But what we want to do is come over here to gaming. Now, based on the game you have selected, the most popular games are Fortnite and Minecraft, and also there are various other games. But what I am going to do is discover a video that's trending about the game that I want to make use of, or the game that I want to share the particular video that I wish to show people. So I'm going to scroll down below and also discover a Minecraft video. So let's just come down below and find something. So we have 7 YouTubers from Minecraft's most secure prison. Okay, that sounds good. But right here is one. I believe this one is going to be a little cooler choice. I built a dragon in Minecraft. So after you have chosen the video that you are going to make use of to drive traffic, you are going to get paid each time they watch it. I know it sounds crazy. Yet if you follow me through the video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. As well as I think you are going to be surprised. Now let's move on to the step number 2, the money system. Where is the money system? Exactly how do you get it? Who is going to pay you PayPal money? And that's going to be shrinkme.io. They are going to take the video URL like the YouTube URL as well as they are going to switch it around. They are going to give you a brand new URL that you can share on the internet. When people click that web link, it will display an ad, and after that, it will go to the video. Therefore, this is exactly how they generate their money from the ad. And then they will give you a part of that income, and there are thousands of people doing this. It's amazing. Let me reveal to you exactly how this works. So, looking over here at shrinkme.io, Most of you are probably wondering how much Kim you make. Well, that you would get a free sign-up bonus of $1, which is cool, but the minimum payment is only $5, but that's okay. The payment frequency, and I want you to think of it. The payment frequency is daily. So you can get paid every single day. Now the payment techniques are significant, and this is one of the remarkable things. So you are not just restricted to PayPal, or perhaps let's claim they have Bitcoin down here. If you have one more way in which you prefer to earn money, maybe through Payeer or WebMoney or AirTM, those choices are there too. So this is worldwide and this works everywhere. I'm excited about this, and this also gives you the rates. They're going to pay you based upon your location. Yet there is something else that I intended to share with you, the CPM. Has it been boosted for the following countries equally as recently? So, if you live in Brazil, you can make $5 every time somebody watch a video. In Spain, you can earn $5. And so, they have boosted the rates of Brazil, Spain, India, and additionally Vietnam. So, I wish to let you guys learn about this. This works nearly just about everywhere. As soon as you register with the website, which only requires a name and email, you are going to get full access to it, and it's going to look something like this. And of course, just for registering, you can see at the top right here, I have $1 added to my account, which is wonderful. But there are likewise many different tools and management type features over here on the left. Now down here where it states settings, I intend to remind you over here my profile. Before you do this, make sure to fill out your billing address and all this information here. Yet most importantly, make sure to select your withdrawal method, cause they have quite a few here. If you are in United States or maybe the United Kingdom or Europe, you can go with PayPal. Yet, if it's not available in your location or somehow you don't like PayPal, that's fine. You can choose various withdrawal techniques from here. Okay, let's move over to the step number 3. This is the traffic. Because we are not going to make any money unless people are watching videos, which is what this video is all about. So over on Google, since I'm using Minecraft as the game of choice of this particular strategy, I'm going to go to Google and enter Minecraft forum. This is an online community forum and it must come up on top here. Just go ahead and also click on that link. That will take you right over here. Now here is a Minecraft forum that has over 4 billion views and visit to this Minecraft forum all the time. This is simply incredible. There are a lot of people that come below, and essentially what you can do is you can participate and you can join this forum. You can make a profit and also everything like that. As well as you can engage with other users and also you can post links, and that's what is essential regarding this, because this will be a part of a strategy. As well as a lot of you are probably wondering, can I upload links on the forum? And the answer is yes. So right here is an example of someone posting different links. Therefore, you would not want to spam the forum or anything like that. What you are trying to do is engage and talk about things and anything that has to do with Minecraft. I post various pictures, Minecraft images, and also post Minecraft videos. So you possibly know where I am going with this, and everyone who clicks on that link to go and watch that video, you will earn money and you can keep doing this. This can occur while you sleep. So let's go back over all 3 steps before we proceed, since I promised you that I would certainly show you a secret bonus towards the end of this video on making even more money, which I am doing. So I think you are going to love that. So let's go back here and over here to YouTube. Now we have entered Minecraft. We found some videos that we like. Yet most importantly, we went over right here. We have also searched and seen a viral video. Maybe something that many people don't understand yet. And also, we found that over at the trending section inside of YouTube. As well as why you are going to intend to do is copy that link to that video. There is a couple of ways you can do this method. Would certainly be to click the title and that will take you over to the video. After that, you can copy the link inside of a bit of URL on the top of your internet browser, or what you can do is you can right click on the title right here and select copy link address. So that copies that into memory. After that, the next step is to go right over to shrinkme.io. You can click right here where it says your URL here, and then you can hold down Ctrl V if you are on Windows or the PC. and that will undoubtedly paste that right in here. Currently, after this, what you should do, there is a little arrow here over on the right. Go ahead and click on that. And also, as soon as I click submit, ShrinkMe provides me an alternate URL that I can use to share with people. So I can share this with my friends, obviously, but this particular strategy is something that you could share on a community forum. When someone clicks that link, they are going to watch a little short ad, and after that they will click through that, and then the video will certainly appear. And also, every time someone goes through this funnel process, you get paid every time that occurs. And that's the beauty of this. You can do this as many times as you want. There is no restrictions on the number of times people can click on your link or how many times people can watch your videos. It's unlimited. And that's the power behind this. And that's why a lot of people are getting extraordinary outcomes utilizing this money system. That's it I want to show you in this video today. Let us know how much you make money using this video's approach in the comments below. If you consider it helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you like to watch this kind of video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.